everybody, this is Irma again from Food for Healthy Bones with Skelly. Skelly never, ever leaves my side. Never. We're going to be making Thieves Cleaner. This is the cleaning the cleaning solution that we use for everything in our house, from the surfaces of the countertop to cleaning cutting boards, floors, windows, cabinetries, you name it, it covers it all. So we are going to put in a capful of this Thieves product. This is a concentrated form. So one capsule, it's a 1:30 ratio. And then fill up the rest with water. I'm going to put in one more capful. Always give the solutions a shake. And I'm good to go. And that's it. How easy is that, Skelly? Saves a whole lot of money and saves the environment, and it saves all the fragrance in the house is now non-toxic, and this is an easy thing to create for yourself. So that's it. Thank you very much for stopping by. Irma from Food for Healthy Bones. Bye for now.